wish you didn't have to go.
I'm sorry, sweetheart. I have to. It's my commitment.
What if you...
No, don't even think that. I'm returning home to my beautiful wife and our beautiful daughter.
So how are you doing?
Laura?
I don't know, I just feel like I'm going through this pregnancy alone, and without my husband here, it's just making it really difficult. And I just hate that he's gonna miss the birth of his own child.
Has he requested any leave time yet?
Well, of course, but with his circumstance, it's almost impossible for him to get leave.
Are you still having nightmares?
Yeah, and it's not just that anymore.
What do you mean?
Well, every time I hear the doorbell, I just fear the worst.
You know, I know what you're going through. I went through the same thing when Sam was deployed.
So, how did you deal with it?
Well, I mean, it was difficult, but I realized that he was protecting our country as well as me, just as Nick is for you and Evelyn.
I know. There's just so much uncertainty.
I understand. Fear can take hold of us like a vice and can pull us into darkness, but we have to look for the light that shines through. You just have to let faith be your guiding light.